I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto almost daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin pushing for a daily candle close, and look like they did get it. The candle for the daily chart did close. Now, previous resistance. See how you have this large green candle here? Small green candle with a large upper wick. It's a reversal idea, right? Long wick reversal. And then the red bar to the downside. You actually had a push above this level. And so now the bulls just need to flip this as resistance for the next move higher, which could be 18,500. So that was exactly what we needed to happen. I was waiting to get this video out to you. So yesterday we talked about this resistance, and how you had this rising wedge, rising channel, and the bulls broke out of it and said, wait a minute, that doesn't happen often. Like, that was a very bullish idea. Came up here after rejected, flipped it as support, right? That is all the buyers are sitting right here, right? Because it's previous resistance becomes future support. You got this bull flag into support, and this thing moonshot. So definitely a strong move by the bulls. Now we've got some news we got to talk about, because things are going to shake the market, which this market likes to be shaken. So Bitcoin CME futures 2-hour chart, we talked about if the mid-range was broken and then the red line of resistance was broken, very good chance you see a run up to 18,245, 18,500. Okay, here you are. You broke this resistance right now. Okay, so the bulls pushing higher. However, CPI inflation comes out tomorrow, and it needs to hit market expectations. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person said, I quit working. I made a solid $125,000 since I joined your group less than a year ago, and I quit. This person and his wife, they hit $170,000 trading crypto. They started with $14,000 last January. So in a year, up to $170,000. This person, hope everything gets better for you. My health is getting better. I've got a shot, epidural at the doctor, for the hospital tomorrow for a procedure. This person made a couple trades, made $2,000 overnight. I appreciate everybody's best wishes. I've been getting a lot of DMs about my health, and that means a lot. We've been nailing banger after banger after banger after banger. Like, this is getting ridiculous. Like I told you, you get a little bit of bounce out of Bitcoin. That's all it takes. I had so many people rejoining the group, coming back to where the money is made. We're going to continue the discount. So right now it's 60% off if you pay in crypto, and an additional $100 off. I'm going to make sure you're in the best setups, period. Go over to my website, cryptorev.net. Join. If you have any questions about joining, send me an email, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. Bang. You make your money in the bear market, and then you retire in the bull market. After the bull's over, you should be good. I'm telling you, in less than 4 years, you should be retired. If you play this game correctly, you build your capital up in the bear market, and then you quit working after the bull, because the bull market, you put wherever you put your money, it's going up 10x, 20x what you have, you're good. A lot of people do more than that. A lot of people, 50, 60, 70x. Some of the smaller caps on Kucoin, like, they give ridiculous profits. We're going to see Metaverse run. We're going to see GameFi run. We're going to see NFTs pick up again. And we nail the bangers because we find the money flow. So Grayscale Investments, Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, the largest whales in crypto. This is their Bitcoin premium. Just had a bounce. This is a potentially bullish idea. This is one of the biggest whales in crypto, Grayscale, right? Here, Grayscale ETH Trust, bounce. Again, it's very bullish. You got huge news. Grayscale Bitcoin Trust shares jumped 12%, narrowing the discount. Again, this is huge. I mean, they still have legal troubles potentially, But despite all these issues, they still saw a 12% bounce, which is huge. I mean, these are huge whales. Whales make market move. Tomorrow, you've got core inflation coming out. The market right now, or inflation right now, is at 7.1%. And we've seen this dropping. The Fed's been raising the rates about 50 basis points. We assume about the same tomorrow. Market expectations are 6.5% CPI. You want to see Bitcoin break higher and get a lot higher prices. You've got to put in CPI a lot lower than this, because if you hit this target, it's good, but it's not amazing, right? It's still 6.5 inflation. Percent inflation is out of control, right? They want to get to 2%. They're nowhere close. It's not amazing, but hit the market expectations and the market's going to be happy with that, right? If you do better than that, obviously even more bullish. And so if we go out here and we talk about ES1, last time we saw a bull trap at the top and the market reversed, and you saw this huge drawdown and bearish pennant, which actually broke higher because it was in this falling wedge. So you had a pattern within a pattern. Now we said here you needed a bounce here. A couple videos ago, we said we needed a bounce for you here. You got the bounce, but you're right at resistance. You want this thing to break resistance, break out, and move higher for Bitcoin upside continuation. I mean, that's all there is to it. You get a rejection here, and there's a good idea that you get Bitcoin downside, and this is all a result of some negative ideas that come out on the CPI tomorrow. So core inflation is going to come out early, and be ready for it. The dollar, the DXY, which is closed, is sitting here right at support. This thing breaks lower, you're going to see stocks move higher. You're going to see crypto move higher. Altcoins move higher. Altcoin total 2 ready to take off. Like, you've got an Adam and Eve double bottom building right here. Adam, Eve, double bottom, and it's broken out, but you don't have the volume. Right? So is it going to hold? Is it going to just roll over? I mean, it's open candle still. It hasn't closed. You still have almost 2.5 hours on this 3-hour candle. So you just got this push to the upside. So easily you could get one of these where you see the pullback. But if you get the breakout and flip of resistance, then you've got a measured move, which will put your price action up here. If you pull it by percentage, you're talking almost 12% gains across all the altcoins in the top 125, which normally equates to about 24% gains or more out of the small caps on Kucoin. And so again, if this happens, so CPI, very important tomorrow. ES1 has to work higher, You do not want to get rejected right here. And then you'll see Bitcoin push higher, you'll see stocks push higher, and you'll see the dollar potentially dump. And then we'll be making more money. We've been making a ton of money in the trading group. If you guys like the content that I provide in this channel, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.